Hello and good day, everybody. I hope you are having a good morning. It is April 7th. I'm getting my days confused. April 7th, and we've got a busy day ahead of us. I was just going to say thank you to those of you who went into our daily check in and you answered my question. I appreciate that. It's just an easy way to make contact. Um, for math, you're going to need to, as always, check your Schoology math course. Your math teacher will have something in there for you to work on. If you have questions about this, I need you to contact me so that I can help you get in touch with your math teacher, or I can help you with that math piece. In reading today, we are going to be reading And Then What Happened, Paul Revere. And there's a discussion post along with a couple questions that you'll be answering about the story. I also have scheduled today reading Woods Runner, the first chapter, and then doing a discussion post about the setting that the story takes place in. I did not post a new real-time journal entry just because I figured you had plenty to do as far as reading-wise. You will have the option to listen to Woods Runner because there is an audio version in the resources folder of our language arts course as well. 30 minutes of reading of a personal choice book, I would say that's probably like up to you. If you find time and you want to sit down and read, that's fine. Social studies today. Today we have social studies. It's Tuesday. So Tuesday and Thursdays we have social studies. You are going to do a short reading about how the relationship of the colonies and England during the Revolutionary War and how that was affected by some things that the king had actually done. And then there's a discussion post with that. Science today is just to make sure that you finished your ABCD drawing and your submission of your photo and your drawing from Friday last week. If you didn't have a chance to get that done, that's something that you could also be working on today, just because we don't have any science that is actually assigned. You'll see that my virtual meeting on WebEx from 1 to 1:30. I'm going to be kind of tweaking our WebEx meeting schedules because I don't want, some of us are getting really heavy on meetings with our other teachers and with me. So in the next day or so, I'm going to be kind of changing some things so that we're not meeting every single day of the week. But I will be sure to keep you updated on that. And then office hours again, 10 to 11, Monday through Friday. The code is the same. If you guys have any questions, please do not hesitate to call me. I am available and would like to make sure and help everybody. So let me know. Have a nice night. I'm doing this at night. So have a nice day today, and I will talk to you soon.